Welcome to Simple Tech Help. If you have ever worried about losing your important documents or family photos, this video is for you. Today I'll show you step by step how to back up your files in Windows 11 so you have a safe copy, just in case something happens to your computer. Don't worry, you don't need to be tech savvy for this. I'm going to help you keep it simple and you can pause and replay any step if you need to. First, what is backup? A backup is just a copy of your important files stored in a safe place. If your computer stops working, gets damaged, or you accidentally delete something, you can still have that second copy. In this video, we'll make the second copy on a small device called an external backup drive. So let's start with what you need. You'll need an external backup drive. This is usually a small box or USB stick that you can plug into your computer. Many people use a USB hard drive that connects with a simple cable. If you're not sure what to buy, look for something called a USB external hard drive with enough space. For example, 1 terabyte or 1 TB. That's plenty of space for everyday users. You can also use a large USB stick if you don't have many files. Once you have your backup drive, just plug it into your free USB port on your computer. For this demonstration, I'm using a 8 GB USB stick. After you plug in the drive, Windows 11 usually shows a small message in the bottom right corner saying the drive is ready. Now we'll open it using File Explorer. On the taskbar, click the folder icon to open File Explorer. On the left side or under this PC, you should see the new backup drive. It might be named something like USB drive, external, or it might have a brand name on it. Click on that drive to open it. Right now it might be empty. That's okay. We are going to copy your important files onto it. Next, decide which folders are important to you. For most people, that's the Documents folder, the Pictures folder, sometimes the Desktop folder if you keep files there. In File Explorer, look at the left side and you'll see folders like Documents and Pictures. Now we'll copy these folders to the backup drive. To keep things simple, I'll show you one method called drag and drop. First, open your backup drive in one File Explorer window, then open your Documents folder in another window. If this feels tricky, you can also do it in the same window by switching between locations. Click on the Documents folder, hold it down the mouse button, and drag it over to the backup drive. Then let go. Windows will start copying all the files from Documents to the external drive. If you prefer, you can also right-click the Documents folder, choose Copy, go to the backup drive, right-click inside the empty space, and choose Paste. Either method is fine. Repeat this for your Pictures folder and any other folders you care about, like Desktop. Depending on how many files you have, this may take a few minutes, and that's pretty normal. Once the copying is done, we'll organize the backup a little so it's easy to understand later. On your backup drive, you'll now see folders like Documents and Pictures. You can right-click on a folder and choose Rename. I like to rename them to include the date. For example, the Documents folder will be renamed as Documents 2026-July, and the Pictures folder will be renamed as Pictures 2026-July. This way, if you want to make another backup in the future, you can tell at a glance which folders are newer and which are older. It also helps anyone who is helping you with your computer. So how often should you back up your files? There's no perfect rule, but here are some easy ideas. You can back up once a month or after big events like a holidays or trips when you have added lots of new photos. Anytime you have created something important like tax documents or letters. Any backup is better than no backup. Even if you only do it few times a year, you'll be much safer than someone who has no backup at all. Let's quickly review what we did today. We talked about what a backup is and why it matters. We plugged in an external backup drive. We opened File Explorer and found the drive. We copied important folders like documents and pictures to the drive. We renamed backup folders so they are easy to understand later. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to Simple Tech Help for more calm, step-by-step tech tutorials. I've also added links in the description and in a pinned comment to an external backup drive and other tools that many everyday users and seniors may find helpful. These are paid links, which means I earn a small commission if you buy through them at no extra cost to you. That support helps me keep making these videos. And I love to hear from you. What's the one folder on your computer you'll be most upset to lose? Your documents, your family photos, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. Your answers will help me decide what to focus on in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Simple Tech Help video.